Scammers are getting smarter every day, and fake Binance emails look more real than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to create an anti-phishing code on Binance step by step so you can instantly verify whether an email or message is really from Binance. First, open the Binance app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the yellow icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on your profile name to open account settings. From the options on the screen, select Security. Inside the Security section, scroll down slightly until you find the option called Anti-Phishing Code. Tap on it to continue. On the next screen, you'll see a message explaining this feature. It says that you can create your own anti-phishing code that will appear in official Binance emails and SMS messages. This helps you verify the authenticity of communications from Binance and protects you from phishing attempts. This code is not public and should be known only to you. You should never share it with anyone. To create your code, tap on Create. The code must be between 6 and 8 characters long and must include at least 3 out of these 4 options: an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a digit, and an underscore. Only codes that meet these requirements will be accepted. If an email claims to be from Binance but does not include your personal anti-phishing code, that's a strong sign the message may be fake. After entering your code, tap Submit. Binance will then ask you to confirm your identity. You'll need to unlock using your passkey, password, or another verification method enabled on your account. Once confirmed, your anti-phishing code is successfully created. That's it. From now on, every official Binance email or SMS will include your personal anti-phishing code, making it much easier to spot fake messages and keep your account safe. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical crypto security tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.